अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 4D 4C क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 and B part. In the graph, draw each of the following lines with the following equations. Number 1 part, y equals -3, and number 2 part, y equals 3 whole 1 by 2, and describe these lines. So here is the question. Take your graphs. First of all, take your graph paper and make your scales. The vertical line representing y-axis, or this is the horizontal line representing x-axis. Here you can see that I have taken the scale of 5 boxes, means after every 5 walks, 1 2 3 4 5, I have taken 1 on x-axis. Then after 1 2 3 4 5, after next 5 boxes I have written 2. Then after next 5 boxes, 1 2 3 4 5, I have taken 3. And then after next 5 boxes I have taken 4. 1 2 3 4. Similarly, on left hand side of the graph, see, after the first 5 boxes I have taken -1. Then after next 5 boxes I have taken -2. Then after my next 5 boxes, 1 2 3 4 5, I have written -3. And then after next 5 boxes, 1 2 3 4 5, I have written -4. This is how you will take the scale on x-axis. Then for y-axis, the same way I have taken 1 2 3 4 5 boxes, then 1 2 3 4 5 boxes, then 2, then 1 2 3 4 5 boxes I have taken 3, and after 5 boxes 4, and then after 5 boxes 5, and then after 6 next 5 boxes 6, and then after 5 next 5 boxes 7. This is the graph of y-axis. And now in the same way, in the graph of on y dash axis, yani below x axis, 1 2 3 4 5, I have taken -2. Then after 5 boxes I have taken -2. Then after next 5 boxes I have taken -3. Then after next 5 boxes I have taken -4. Then after next 5 boxes -5, -6, and up to -7. So it is very important to take your scales correct. If there is any mistake in your scale, then your graph will be 0 in the start. You will not get any marks if your graph is wrong, if your scales are wrong, right? And what we have taken, so we have taken same scale on x-axis and y-axis. What do I mean about the word scale? Means I have taken 5 small boxes for 1 unit. So on x-axis, 5 boxes is equal to 1 unit, then 5 small boxes is equal to 1 unit along x-axis, and similarly 5 small boxes is equal to 1 unit. So write the scale on your graph, and then we will do next work. So this is how you will write your scale. On x-axis, 5 small boxes is equal to 1 unit, and on y-axis, 5 small boxes is 1 unit. This is very important thing to write scale on your graph, right? Now we are going to plot the lines. Our part 1 is draw the graph of y is equal to -3. So see, y is equal to -3 is a line that will be parallel to x-axis below x-axis. -3 means on y dash axis, and this line will be below x-axis, and this line will be parallel to x-axis, and this line has no gradient. Gradient means this line has no steepness. So we will put the scale at y is equal to -3, and we will draw a line. So see, we have drawn the line at point y is equal to -3. This line is parallel to x-axis, and this line has no steepness or gradient. And the graph of, I have told you, graph of the line parallel to, gradient of the line parallel to x-axis is 0. So gradient of this line is 0. This line has no steepness. It is parallel to x-axis. So here is the graph of the line y is equal to -3. Now we will draw the graph of y is equal to 3 whole 1 by 2. First of all, we will see where is the point 3 whole 1 by 2. You can see that 3 whole 1 by 2 means 3.5, and this point will be between 3 and 4. There are 5 boxes between 3 and 4, then it means after 1 2 and half. After 2.5 boxes we will write 3 whole 1 by 2. Now we will draw a line at this point. We will set our scale at 3 whole 1 by 2 and we will draw a line. So students, you see that a line is passing through the point 3 whole 1 by 2. This line is of the equation y is equal to 3 whole 1 by 2. This line is also parallel to x axis. This line has no steepness and the gradient of this line is also 0 because this is parallel to x axis. So now we will describe these lines. So after pasting the graph, below the graph, you will write this description that these lines are parallel to x-axis, has no steepness and zero gradient. This question is done. Thank you.